Niamuda, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be creating Avatar, the way of the master. We're going to be creating a movie flyer, movie poster, right? Okay. Okay. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So this is Pixellab. We're going to go over here, create a new slide. Let's come here. 684. No. Let's confirm that. 864, not 684. 864. Alright, so this is the canvas. This is the size. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna bring in this guy. I'll bring in this guy. Right, I would use this guy here. Alright, so let's do this. Let's badge, remove background. So I'll go to badge, I'll click on new badge, and click on all these at once. Which other one again? I think that's all. Okay, continue. Okay, so click on transparent. Okay, then we'll export 3 of them at once. Alright, so let's bring in the first and main character here, which is this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Alright, I'm gonna bring in this guy. Alright, bring in this guy. This guy is going to form the base. Alright. I will increase this. Alright, so we're going to blend that background. I mean this edge, alright, that's touching each other. We're going to blend it, but let me show you how to do it. I want to reduce this first. Alright, see the original design. Alright, see this. Check again. Alright. Okay, so let's bring in this guy right here, which we are going to use for blending. Right, this guy here. I'm going to increase this. I would reduce it now. Reduce it. Check, you'll see something there. Alright, it means I still have to brighten it. Okay. Alright. Okay, now take it right there. I think that. Check, you'll see something there. Alright, so what we'll do now is bring it in like this. Are you seeing that now? Right. Still do this. Alright. Okay. Alright. So that's first what we needed to do. Okay. Now these guys, check very well. You will see these ladies here. Okay, so let's bring in this other lady. Go to recent. Where is she? This. Alright, so this is the other character. right there. Check. Right, so around that as is there. All right. Right, so I'm going to blend, use this guy here to blend. Yeah, I'll change the color to this. Copy this. Right, I'll copy this. Sorry, I'll copy this. I'll put it here. Right, I'm going to take this color here. Right, okay. This will go down. All right, I'll bring, let me see, I'll bring this to the front. Okay, I'll reduce it. Then I would adjust this here. Sorry, not that, this. Yeah. Copy it, bring it here again, and copy, bring one of it here. Then this is going to come here. Okay, now I'm going to delete this. I'll bring in another character. Let's use this guy. Okay, right, so I'll copy this, I'll reduce it, and I'll put it there, put it there. I'll bring in the last character here. Alright, so I would okay, I'll do this, changing. Right, I'll copy this, I'll bring it there. Right, okay. Right, so I'm going to bring in this. Let's check. What I want to do now is this. I'm going to go to photo room. I would click on this, go right here. I'll try to remove this background. I want it to stand on its own. First, I want to take this image art to stand on its own like this. This image is standing on its own right now. Then I'm going to go back to the background. I'll go back here, I'll go to original, check, you'll see original. Then I'll go over to where you have this background, not the animal but the background. So go back, so click on the animal. Yes, the animal, do it like this, remove it like this, just shake it like this, it will leave the background for you. Then you go over here and then you delete. It's not leave only the background, so you save the background. That's a trick to get backgrounds. So now that I've done that, I'm going to remove this one now, delete it. Then I'll come over here and then I would take only the background this time around. I'll put it at the base here, and I'll send it to the back. I can even stretch it at this moment. I can stretch it, all right, like this. Okay, then I will also now bring in just this guy, all right, standing on this animal like this. You see that now? So I'm going to put it right here, something there. Alright, the reason I'm doing this is so that I can position the avatar, I mean the words right here. I can position it correctly here. Alright, if you notice that it's not well positioned, it's not visible because the background is not dark enough. So check here, you see that the background is dark. So what do? We just come over here, pick one of these guys and bring it there. But this time around we're going to change the thickness. Alright, we'll make it something thick. It could be that. So let's try and bring it to the front and see. You can see now that it is very, very clear. Okay. Alright, just like that. These other areas, they are not looking so real. These other areas, this where we put all this stuff, they're not looking so real because we've really tampered some stuff there. So I'm going to bring in this guy, which I'm going to use to place some rows here. Alright, it's going to bring you some lightings, and it's going to make it look real. Okay, and I'll copy it. I'll bring it here. Alright, I'll change the color. Alright, I still feel that something is missing there. So should we put the avatar here instead? Okay. Let's bring this guy here. Okay. Oh, let's take it back. Sorry. Let's bring this here. No. Oh, let's bring this back here. Let's increase it. Where is it guy? This. Let's increase it. Alright. Alright, so let's bring this to the front and position it there like this. Alright, I'm going to instead bring this guy to the front and position it here. Alright, I'll bring in one of these. Okay. Okay, take this all. There's no need for that. Alright, so I still have one logo that I downloaded that we can also use here. Right, okay. We can make it just white. I'll put it there, all there. Okay, so just put something there. Alright, let's change the font to this guy here. Okay. Space. Okay, so alright, this guy I still want it increased. Alright, so that's okay. let's see. Right, so if that is all for, let's see, let's look very carefully. Right, there's a light here. Bring this one. There's a light here. Okay, I will change the color. Okay, okay. Right. Alright, so that's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. 16 minutes. Wow. So we just gonna save it. Save project avatar. Oh, it's not properly saved. So let's save it, and then we'll go over to Snapseed to edit it. Right, I've been saved. We'll go to Snapseed now. Go here. So this is where you do your editing. So the first thing I want to do right here is to increase the sharpness. Are you seeing the changes now? Increase the sharpness. Then the next I want to do right here is to use this as a blend tool. Yeah. Okay. You could also come to color, tuning, saturation, every other stuff here. Right. Ambience. Okay. Shadow. So this is our own design. You can go ahead and save. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the link in the description to download the resources that was used to create this poster. I'll see you in another tutorial. My name is Nia Muda. Thank you for subscribing.